Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you how can you sort app in alphabetical order on Android devices. To do this, it's a very simple procedure. You just have to make sure to watch this video right till the end. Now in some of the devices, or this actually depends on the device that you're using, but usually when you're using an Android device, when you go to the app drawer section, right over here you will be able to find the three dot icon in the top right hand side corner. You want to click that out and you could see alphabetical order and other options as well. So you simply want to go ahead and click on alphabetical order, and once you do it, so you'll be then able to sort app in alphabetical order. Similarly, if you don't have the three dot icon just like mine, then you want to go to settings and open up the settings application, scroll down a bit, go to app sections. Then you simply want to click on see all apps at the bottom, and here you have the three dot icon, right? Click that out, and what you have to do is click on show system. Once you do it, so it's in alphabetical order. Now then you could see it's starting with an alphabetical. You could exit and go to the app drawer section. Here as well you could see it's in alphabetical order. This is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.